Did you know that high blood sugar can strike like a silent thief? Imagine this. Out of 37 million Americans with diabetes in 2022, a jaw-dropping 23% didn't even know they had it. There is more. 1 in 3 adults is on the edge with prediabetes, but only a tiny 15% get diagnosed. Now here's the deal. Catching these signs early can literally be a game changer, turning the tide on conditions like type 2 diabetes. Overwhelmed? Don't be. We are here to guide you every step of the way. Hold on tight, because we are diving deep into the warning signs you must watch out for. Number 10. Being extra thirsty and having to urinate more than usual. Have you ever found yourself making more trips to the bathroom than usual? Or perhaps you've been feeling exceptionally thirsty lately. These signs might seem inconsequential, but they contain valuable health information. Here's the link between the two. High blood sugar can increase urination. When the kidneys can't process all the excess sugar in the bloodstream, this sugar is expelled through urine. As the body removes sugar, it pulls fluids from its tissues, leading to dehydration. As many health experts agree, this is what triggers that intense feeling of thirst. The cycle continues. You drink more to quench that thirst, leading to more frequent bathroom trips. However, it is important to note that normal urination frequency varies among individuals. Factors like fluid intake, age, and overall health can influence how often you feel the need to go. But if you've observed an unexplained and persistent increase in your trips to the bathroom, it might indicate an underlying health condition or a change in your general well-being. Understanding these signals is crucial for maintaining good health, so always be attentive to these changes. You'd be surprised at the significant difference this awareness can make. Number 9. You have noticeably blurry vision and frequent headaches. Hold tight, because this is some information you wouldn't want to overlook, especially if you're journeying past 55. Let's kick off with the headaches. You know, those pesky pains that appear as if out of nowhere. Did you know one significant culprit behind these aches is dehydration? Indeed, many health professionals agree that failing to drink ample water or other underlying causes can ignite these nagging sensations. Now, many factors can induce a headache. However, detecting something unusual, intensified, or accompanied by other peculiar symptoms is a cue to stop and investigate. But how does sugar fit into this narrative? Here's the connection. High blood sugar can lead to dehydration. When your body tries to rid itself of the surplus sugar via urine, it drags along fluids from your tissues, leading to dehydration. And guess what? This dehydration can be the root cause of those headaches. Moreover, as an offshoot of elevated sugar levels in your bloodstream, there is another side effect. The Cleveland Clinic points out that an accumulation of sugar and fluid in the eye can blur your vision. But don't worry, it is temporary and not the same as the eye problems that can happen over time with diabetes. Number 8. Nausea, vomiting, confusion. These strange symptoms might not seem related, but they could be signs of something serious. Diabetic ketoacidosis, DKA. DKA is rare but life-threatening, as per the U.S. National Library of Medicine. It can lead to stomach pain, difficulty breathing, and even fruity-smelling breath. This condition typically affects those with type 1 diabetes and might be the first sign of illness. In rarer cases, it can occur in type 2 diabetes too. DKA occurs when the liver can't use sugar in the blood without insulin. It resorts to breaking down body fat into ketones, which can become toxic, making the blood too acidic. And this is incredibly dangerous and can be fatal if not treated promptly. If you or someone you know experiences these symptoms, seek medical help right away. Your health is too important to ignore. How do you think spreading awareness about its symptoms and risks can help individuals with diabetes? Share your thoughts in the comment box below. Number 7. You notice sores healing more swiftly than usual. Here is something you can't afford to miss, especially if you are in your golden age. How diabetes can slow down your body's natural healing process. You see, cuts, scrapes, and bruises may take much longer to heal when your blood sugar isn't under control, according to the NIDDK. Diabetes can damage nerves and restrict blood flow, especially in your lower legs and feet, which means less blood gets to those wounded areas. This delay in healing also makes even minor injuries more vulnerable to infections. And believe me, infections can turn very serious, sometimes necessitating medical interventions. Number 6. Dental issues. Did you know that excess glucose isn't just in your blood, but also in your saliva? When there is too much, it becomes a feast for harmful mouth bacteria, teaming up with food particles to create plaque. This can spell trouble like tooth decay, cavities, and bad breath. So keep an eye out of swollen or bleeding gums. You'll be amazed at what can happen in your mouth. Your smile deserves the best care after all. Number 5. You're getting yeast infections more often than usual. Did you know that high blood sugar levels can lead to a more frequent genital yeast infections? It is often caused by a fungus called Candida albicans, as the ADA notes. For women, this can mean symptoms like itching, redness, pain during intercourse, discomfort while urinating, and unusual discharge, according to the CDC. While yeast infections can affect anyone, having elevated glucose levels in your blood puts you at a higher risk. This is because the yeast thrives on glucose, and when your body sugar is high, there is more in the urinary tract. Men, particularly those uncircumcised and dealing with hyperglycemia, are also susceptible. It is worth noting that patients using SGLT2 inhibitors, which increase glucose excretion through urine, might be at a slightly higher risk. Your health is the top priority. Number 4. You feel tiredness and fatigue constantly. You don't want to miss this essential information, especially if you're concerned about managing your blood sugar. As the ADA highlights, fatigue and extreme tiredness can be clear signs of uncontrolled blood sugar levels. When your body doesn't process insulin correctly or lacks enough insulin, the sugar stays in your bloodstream instead of being used for energy in your cells. Additionally, frequent urination, often linked to high blood sugar, can lead to dehydration, which further contributes to feelings of fatigue. Understanding these connections is crucial for your well-being. Now, let's stop for a moment. We have covered a lot until now, and each sign is essential. How do you prioritize your health in managing blood glucose levels? Let us know in the comments below. Let's move toward the next sign. Number 3. Tingling hands and feet. Hyperglycemia, high blood sugar, can lead to nerve damage known as neuropathy. The most frequent type, peripheral neuropathy, affects your extremities. You might experience tingling, numbness, or a burning sensation in your hands, feet, arms, and legs. Over time, this can worsen if left unchecked. Don't miss this crucial insight into your health. Number 2. You're developing blisters, dryness, or other skin changes. High blood sugar can lead to various skin issues like blisters, infections, dryness, itchiness, discolorations, and abnormalities. Another sign to watch for is dark, thick patches of soft skin, known as Ketoacidosis nigricans, which can appear on your neck, hands, armpits, or face and may indicate insulin resistance. These are all red flags you should discuss with your doctor. Maintaining stable blood sugar levels can help improve conditions like Ketoacidosis nigricans. So staying vigilant about your skin's health is essential. Have any of you noticed unexpected skin changes recently? Your well-being is worth the attention. Number 1. You are hungrier than usual but losing weight. You will want to take advantage of here, especially if you're concerned about your health. High blood sugar can lead to some surprising symptoms. One of them is increased hunger, a condition known as polyphagia, as mentioned by Medline Plus. Strangely, even though you are eating more, you might lose weight without an apparent reason when your blood sugar levels are too high, according to Cleveland Clinic. So what's happening? Your body isn't getting the energy from glucose, so it starts breaking down muscle and fat. This can result in unintentional and unhealthy weight loss. Additionally, you may experience muscle weakness and more frequent falls. Pay attention to these changes in appetite and weight, as they could be signs of uncontrolled blood sugar levels affecting your overall health. We hope you found this video informative and engaging. Share your stories or concerns in the comment box below. Let's build a supportive community together. Your health journey is unique and precious, and we are here to support you every step of the way. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit that bell icon for notifications, give us a thumbs up, and share this video with your friends.